Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will be unboxing the Seagate Harddisk, bought from Flipkart at $4,949 only. To order, please click on description link. Let us look at the box itself. Please look at the stickers if they are not peeled already. This looks good. Let's start unboxing it. So here is the manual to get started with. Let's keep it aside. Here is the device. And we have a USB cable. The quality looks good. Here comes the device. Let's open it. This looks very good. The pattern is so appealing and nice to hold and easy to carry. The device is also very light in weight. Let's try to test and see. So here we having warranty and process to register the product for warranty. Let's look at the properties. So that looks good. Please look at description link if you want to order the same product. Thanks for watching. Please like,